Anti-drug campaign ADC destroyed a large haul of seized narcotics today by burning items such as brown sugar, spasmoproxivone tablets, Tramadol and illicit local brew. The contraband was confiscated during various operations in and around the Ningtokong area. Several community groups joined the disposal drive to show solidarity, including Yukobit, Marapay B. Apunbalupo Bishnupur District, All Manipur Women's Voluntary Organization, Ningtokong Unit, and Ningtokong Kaitel Board. Speaking to reporters, ADC co-convener Iringbom Newton asserted that the organization has actively led anti-drug campaigns and seized intoxicants since its inception. He noted that the items disposed of today were recovered through sustained drives conducted in collaboration with local CSOs. Expressing concern over the rising number of youths falling prey to drug abuse and alcoholism, Newton emphasized that the ADC is not just focused on enforcement, but is also actively opening its doors to help individuals find a path toward rehabilitation.
Nisa thingba haibasi aikoi khagna na tagana another organization na atadai thinga kanda ngamgadabana te praja gi support yaudana maramaduna imaleba ki tungi generation gi future pillar orakadaba naha singi punchi kanbani ijati kanbani khanbira kanda laikai khungung da laibiriba praja puting magna ai gi laikai da nisa yoliba nisa chariba nisa nambaram orakanda mamal naidraba punchi bu manghaliba mayamche amatoina kanminasi haidana ADC gi maikai de ge miyam da nulukna khurumjari